Welcome back. This is Chili Davidson. I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks, and we also talk about personal finance and business finance on this channel. If you're new, please click the subscribe button so you can get my frequent updates. And don't forget the notification bell. Well, it is the end of the first quarter, and today we're going to talk about the top stocks. So the first 3 months of 2023 is in the books, and I just posted this. The S&P 500 has had its best performing first quarter. Stocks like Nvidia was up 90% over the last 3 months. Meta or Facebook was up 76%. Tesla was up 68%. And AMD was up over 50% in the first 3 months of 2023. So those were some great stocks that performed well over the last 3 months. Does not mean they'll be performing well for the rest of the 2023. Okay, but anyway, we did get a good start from those stocks. Now let's take a quick look at today. Okay, here we are on CNBC, and it shows that the Dow Jones was up 1.26%. This is the Dow Industrial type stocks. The S&P 500, as we just mentioned, today they were up 1.44%, and the Nasdaq stocks were up 1.74%. So the main three indexes were up. Also, the small cap stocks, the Russell 2000 was up today 1.93%. So it was a green day overall. And the article here says Nasdaq Composite stocks closed higher Friday. Nasdaq notches its best quarter in 2020. So that is the news there. Great deal, Nasdaq stocks. And if you watch my channel, you know I talk quite a bit about Tesla, Nvidia, Facebook, and several other technology type companies. So we've had our best month in quite a while. Okay, so but you can still buy your value stocks. They're still great plays, but at least so far for 2023, the best stocks were in technology. Now, the top stock of the day was C3AI. I talked about this on my last video. C3AI was up over 21% on the day. Okay, it was up over 21% on the day. And that is to do with the artificial intelligence race, whether it's Facebook, Google, Nvidia, or Microsoft. People are dumping loads of money into stocks that have to do with artificial intelligence, okay? So C3AI jumped over 21% on the day for a gain of $5 and some change, okay? Now let's take a quick at the overall Robinhood portfolio of mine. Today, the portfolio was up 3%. Really nice gain, over $55 on portfolio, moved up from 1,700 to 1,800 in the last 2 days. Okay, so nice move, 3% on the portfolio for the day. And let's take a quick look. As I mentioned already, AI was one of the top stocks. See else. Domo was up 8%. This is a data company. Data collects data for certain partners like ESPN and Target. Domo is a data collection company in the cloud. Okay, so they were up today over 9.2% on the day. Okay, Domo. All right, so that was the news there. That was some top stocks. We did see Amazon up 1.27%, and Google was up 2.75%, and CrowdStrike, CRWD, this is cybersecurity software, was up 4.35%. And finally, we will close with my TD Ameritrade account. Okay, here we are in the TD Ameritrade account. And in this portfolio, I was up 3.22% for a gain of $1,128. And the top stock today was Tesla. gaining a little over 6.32% for a gain of $500. Also, SOFI Technologies, which they will have an earnings call come up late April. We're up 6.29%. This is a fintech. And they also do student loan refinance, and they also do brokerage. So check out SOFI Technologies. Again, the stock was up 6.29%. It's a favorite of this channel. If you watch my community posts, I post about SOFI probably every other day. Okay, and Ford Motor Company was up 2.36%. Again, this is part of the EV race. Whether you're Ford or GM, people are investing in the EV market, right? And ChargePoint was up today 3.15%. And as we get closer to April 18th, there's more decisions coming about whether you get a tax credit if you buy an EV now. So you got Ford vying for those tax credit. It's either $3,500 or $7,500, somewhere in between. Some manufacturers will get an EV credit when you buy EV automobile, okay, electric vehicle. And then Microsoft, part of the AI race, was up again 1.52%. So all stocks were in the green. We did have a few red ones, so there was a few opportunities. If you're working on the VIX, if you wanted to work on the opposite way to short QQ, only looks like Square is the only stock that was down slightly, 0.64%. Maybe a ConocoPhillips was down slightly today, could have took advantage, but again, only down 0.04%. Also, X was down slightly, another value play, but again, these are good value stocks. X, COP, both pay dividends, and IEP, Icon Enterprises, which is a collection of stocks. Icon Enterprises, Mr. Icon, Carl Icahn, this is his fund, and today was down slightly, 0.15%. So not much. Again, a lot of green today. Most of the market was in the green. You could have picked up some X, or you could have picked up some ConocoPhillips, but pretty much we were flat on the day. Not much to scoop up or opportunities. Again, the stock market was led by companies like Tesla, SOFI, Ford, Okta Cloud Software, and of course Nvidia, artificial intelligence, up 1.52%. Again, continue to check out my board. Here are the top S&P 500 companies for the last 3 months: Nvidia, Facebook, Tesla, AMD, all stocks that I talk about. This was earlier today, Tesla, SOFI. I post about them every day. And again, these are stocks that you want to keep in front of you, but also still invest in your dividend stocks. That's your ConocoPhillips, your Ford stocks. Value play stocks are still important in 2023. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you want to get started in your investment journey, please use the Robinhood link below. And I'll see you on the next video. Good night.